I don't know exactly. Never mind, sir. I'll call you on the way. I'll be there around noon, sir. Okay. Paru, you know Krishnamurthy, sir, who is Navin's dad? He's our chairman. If he calls to the guest house, that to a regional head like me, it means something big. Anyway, I should have to stay there one day. I'll have to booze with lot of people and I have to hear whatever they say. How they started their life, how they became big real estate tycoons, and how they became biggest builders in South India. But in the next morning, Ravi Abraham will be the vice president of the Atrium Structures.
Really? Great. Then you must go tomorrow at any cost. Then I will cancel the tomorrow's kitty party. I will take care of Ammu.
No way. I've already planned with Ansi. Please don't consider me as a fool. Do one thing. You remember one maid used to come to look after our baby? What's her name?
Cicely.
Call her.
Ammu will be fine with her.
If so, I will drop her on the way to the office.
Okay, then let me call her and
Call
check.
her.
Are you from Seva?
Beatrice. Cicely has a test. I came in her place.
Please come.
I got late because of the long traffic.
No problem, we are still getting ready.
Where is the child?
Ammu?
What's your name, child? Ah, it's so cute.
Ravi, are you ready?
Of course. Do you think I need lipstick and mascaras? All I need is extra 2 underwears.
Chi, stop talking nonsense. How is still people bearing you at office? And Cicely has not come. Someone named Beatrice has come.
Beatrice?
Huh.
Something is wrong in her name.
Cha.
Isn't it? Beatrice. Who knows?
Let me kiss you. Please take care. She's naughty.
Ammu dear, mom always says that I'm very fat. Is it so?
No, Dad is perfect.
Look at her.
She always says that. You know who are our heroes? WWF hefty peoples.
He's not hefty. He's Kane.
You have spoiled. Leave it. Give me a kiss. Okay?
Okay.
Beatrice, you know right? Paru is going for a party. Even though it is late, you have to stay here till she comes back.
I'll stay.
Paru, I think I kept the charger in the car.
No, you didn't keep it. I kept the charger.
What I should have done without you.
That's enough. Let's leave.
Thought of giving you a small compliment, but you're rejecting it. Leave it if you don't like it.
Bye, Ammu.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye. Will she be with the Beatrice? There won't be any issues, right? Yesterday I told you about the BB's post. I think I'm a bit greedy after it. But when I become head of operations, I'll get hike of 80%. You remember we had seen a flat in Marine Drive? In projecting balcony into the sea? You had liked it very much. I have to buy it.
Really? You still remember it? I just said it for fun.
What's there in the life without any fun, you know? You remember the guy Ajayan, architect? He's the marketing head over there. We'll get a good deal.
Hi, my car has been broken down. Can I have a ride on the way?
Yeah, get in.
Thanks. I want to get down near the city center. Now I'm feeling relaxed. I have an appointment at the speed parcel service. On such important occasion, my car has been broken down. It's not the first time. It always happens like this. By the way, what's your name?
Ravi. Ravi Abraham.
This must be your wife, right?
Huh, Parvati.
Hey, then yours is intercaste marriage, right?
Yes.
What is your job? Where do you work?
Atrium Towers.
You mean that 20-floor building?
21 floors.
That's what I thought. I've come there once. Not exactly there, but I've come around that building. You know, when I was there, I had an emergency.
Toilet?
Yeah, at that time, my friend was working there on third floor.
Prime Focus.
Prime Focus. His name is Santosh from Adakaputtur. I actually went to his office and I finished my business. Which is this car?
Fortuner.
A guy once told me about the car. It's not this car, it's a CRV. 2005 model. He told me that it is 12 lakh rupees. I thought it is...
For 2005 model, 12 lakhs is quite cheap.
I have applied for the vehicle loan. If I get that...
How about your car?
It's an old one, 98 model. Only sometimes it creates the problems. Have we met before? Because we are talking too much. It's a fact. There is an unknown relationship between human beings. For example, we met only a few minutes ago, but we are so close. Vehicles are also like that. There are few people, even if they are married for 20 years, the bond with their wife will not be good at all. Me and my car are like that, I guess. Always creates a problem. Even after consuming petrol, it is giving problems only. It's not left, it is right.
City center is towards left.
No, it is towards right only.
No, sir. This is the way.
Turn towards the right.
This is the way. I know it well.
Turn towards the right, man.
What did you say?
Turn towards the right, I said. Just drive how I say. You are going to be a dead man if I pull this trigger. You should only stop when I ask you to. Got it?
What do you want?
I got what I want, isn't it? Abraham.
Don't call me Abraham.
Why not, man? Isn't it your dad's name?
What are you saying?
Shut up! This call is for you.
Hey,
I like smartness, but only if it comes from me.
Hello? Ravi?
Ammu. You?
She is waiting to hear her mama's voice, right? Talk to her.